To install the Salesforce CLI on Windows, follow these steps. Download Node.js. Salesforce CLI requires Node.js to run. Download and install the latest version of Node.js from the official website. Open command prompt. Once Node.js is installed, open the command prompt on your Windows computer. Install Salesforce CLI. In the command prompt, run the following command to install Salesforce CLI globally. Verify installation. After the installation is complete, verify the Salesforce CLI is installed correctly by running the following command. Set up environment variables. If you want to use Salesforce CLI from any directory in command prompt, you can add the Salesforce CLI executable path to the system's path environment variable. To do this, right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Go to Advanced System Settings and click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find the path variable and click Edit. Add the path to the Salesforce CLI executable and click OK to save.